we're going to talk about chickens! Welcome back to another episode of Learning to Live. Today, we are going to cover why we got our chickens in the first place, the benefits of having your own chickens, and at the end, we're going to tell you how you can get this many eggs during the middle of winter. Stay tuned.
Why we got chickens in the first place was for money reasons.
Yeah, we were going through like 3 dozen eggs a week, so when they're $4 or $5 a dozen, that gets expensive quick, so we decided we would get our own chickens. And this was during when you would go to the grocery stores, there was an egg shortage, like Costco had a limit of like 1 dozen a day, you can only get 1 dozen per person. So like there was an egg shortage, the prices were going up, now they're like over $5 a dozen at the store, so we're glad that we have our own chicken eggs now.
If you haven't already, please give us a like and subscribe, and drop a comment down in the comment section below and let us know what you would like to see more videos of.
So now we're going to talk about the benefits of having your own chickens. Now, one thing we've already mentioned is that it saves you money. So buying them from the grocery store is a lot more expensive, where we only have to buy the food that we feed the chickens, which is much cheaper. Another benefit is the health of the eggs. They're just healthier eggs. When you crack them open and look at them, they're like more of a pretty yellowish orange. They're a lot richer color yolk. They're just much better eggs. They have a lot more nutrients, and you know what they've been fed.
And also, another thing we love about chickens is they are incredibly entertaining. We have one, I would say is our favorite, called Snowball, which I'll probably include in this video. She has this little snowball tuft of feathers, I guess, or what it would be.
Fuzz on top of her head.
Yeah, fuzz on top of her head that just like flows with the wind. All of them have personalities, all of them have their little quirks, and I had no idea, but chickens are so incredibly entertaining and funny. So that was new to me.
They're fun to watch. They'll like follow you around and cluck at you outside while you're doing stuff, and they're always curious, turning their heads, looking at you, wanting to know what you're doing.
Another benefit to having chickens is we feed chickens all of our food scraps so that it's less waste that goes in the trash, that goes in the landfill, and that will go in with the deep bedding method that we have in our compost. So they're helping us process through food scraps, but also providing compost to go in our compost pile, which will then in turn feed our garden.
So if you made it to the end, here's the tip on how to get more eggs during the winter. The real key here is light. They gotta have light during the winter, and that's why they quit laying their eggs during the winter or slow down, is because the days are shorter and they sense that, so they actually stop laying eggs. So the main thing is having a light. So we have a light set up on a timer in our coop that comes on in the morning. It comes on at like 7 a.m. in the morning, and then it kicks off at 7 p.m. at night. And that is what has helped us to produce so many eggs during the winter. So here I was going to go over a setup of the light. So this is the light. It's just a normal light you can go buy at Tractor Supply. It's got a regular bulb in it. And then it's set up on a light timer. The timer's down here. You can set the timer for what time you want it to come on and what time you want it to go off. I bought that on Amazon. We'll leave a link in the description for it. But I have that set so it stays on for 12 hours a day, which gives the chickens enough sunlight that they stay laying. And there's Snowball with her little snowball on top of her head. You can see we got some eggs in there right now.
Put it right in the middle.
That's good. Say
Is that all?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the last one.
Yeah. She was a good chicken, huh?